The Aurora was redesigned in 2001, and the new design gave this car a more sporty, modern look. Our 2002 Aurora comes with a 3.5L V6 giving you a whopping 215 horsepower, and a quick 0 to 60 time. Standard features are generous and include leather upholstery, a Burlwood dash, power everything, dual-zone heating and cooling, and a great 6-speaker audio system. Check out our pictures, you'll be impressed. This car is a driver's car. The center stack is sharply angled toward the driver with radio and temperature controls within close reach. Safer for the driver, I must say. On the top of these controls is the driver info center, which has a variety of features, including date, time elapsed, fuel used, fuel range, fuel economy, oil pressure, voltage, etc. This info center also communicates messages to the driver, like headlamp suggested or change oil soon. This car offers quick performance and is a joy to drive. It's agile and nimble around town, as well as being quiet and comfortable on long road trips. Print this page and call us now. We know you will enjoy your test drive towards ownership. We are glad you have chosen us. Edwards Hyundai, Subaru, Mitsubishi has been serving Metro Omaha and Southwest Iowa families for years. One happy customer at a time.